So my name is Kai. I'm a developer advocate here at Civo. And this is a little Civo region in a box. So it's a bonkers idea that we had to bring to Kubecon, which is to take one of our, kind of the hardware that runs one of our regions, of which we have 3 at the moment. So there's Frankfurt, New York, and London. And for the duration of this week, there's Valencia, which is a miniaturized version of a full data center that we usually run. So inside is Open Compute project hardware. So it's all modular. And there's compute nodes, there's memory, and there's storage. And obviously on a full-size rack, these would be replicated umpteen times. But this is basically the same sort of hardware that runs our production regions. All right, so let me demonstrate to you. This is my account on Civo, right? And what we have here, when I drop down, so these are our usual regions, but oh wait, what's this? Spain Kubecon. And if I go to it, I am already running a cluster, but you get this thing where we're running a competition. But basically, this is, if I were to go and launch a cluster on this region, so you can see on here that the selection is Kubecon, I'm going to go and just go, hello, Kubecon as the name. I'm going to add 3 nodes and just basically just use any old firewall. And we are going to launch with an app from the marketplace.
Yep.
And what we will see here is our Hello Kubecon cluster is building. And because I've added our little competition app, you get this little banner. But the point is that the system knows that this hardware is this cluster is running on this hardware. So if we pan quickly from this to here, I can't point exactly to where, but I'm going to say that blinking light is our cluster. So it is legitimately running on this piece of kit here, and it's like I said, it's the same hardware that runs our production stuff. So the cluster launch should still be in that sort of 90-second time. And as soon as that's ready, we will be able to see all the nodes pop up. In fact, so we can see one of our nodes of one of our 3 is already up. And we already have a public IP here and a DNS name, which will be populated as soon as the DNS service sort of refreshes. So in a couple of minutes, we will have all 3 nodes. And
brilliant.
That's our cluster running on this piece of kit here. We got a special sort of pipe through the CNCF and through the convention center here. So we've got a couple hundred megs each way, which is faster than the Wi-Fi here. We went like, we're going to need 3-phase power and we're going to need networking because we're bringing a rack. And they just went, okay. So,
Nice.
When you do a proof of concept and you do more like, not necessarily to prove to others, but to prove to yourself, right? That we are able to spin up an entire region at a couple days notice as soon as we have the hardware it's testament, I think, to what the team here, whose backs you can see there, the sort of scripting and sort of planning capability that we have built in, which means that we are able to deploy something as small as this or an entire data center, basically with a couple of lines of Ansible. So,
And there you go, Ansible.
Yep,
Love it.
I knew it. I knew it.
One of my old friends there.
Yeah, so if you go on I'm going to do a shameless plug here, but on the Civo YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/CivoCloud, there is a video of the deployment of a previous region, which has a lot of like the actual code, what we run, Ansible, and other sort of automation tools. Thank you, James.
Cheers. Bye-bye for now.